These questions decides your score, your result. The question says, there is a square. Inside of this square there are 4 circles. They didn't give you anything but the shaded area. So they told you the shaded area is equal to 40 centimeters square. They didn't give anything else. So the shaded area is 40, and they ask you to find the perimeter of this square. That's very good. If you'd like to try it, you can pause, because I'm starting now. First, I'll think of what's the shaded area. What is it equal to? The shaded area is equal to the area of the square minus the area of the 4 circles, right? If we do find the area of the square and we take away the area of the 4 circles, that's the area of the shaded area. That's good. Now, what's the area of the 4 circles? I don't know. So I will assume the radius of one circle is r. If the radius is r, the area is pi r squared for each circle. And we have 4 of them, so the area of the 4 circles is 4 pi squared. 4 pi r squared. So we got this part here. This is 4 pi r squared. That's good. Now, how do we find the area of the square then? Since this is a radius, that means this is also a radius, and a radius. So it's 4 radiuses. That means this length is 4r, and this is also 4r. And the area of the square is the side times the side. So it's 4r times 4r, which is 16r squared. So we got this part also. It's 16r squared. There is a negative sign in the middle, so it's this minus that. And that's equals to the shaded area. The shaded area is 40. Now, let's just play on these numbers. Have you noticed there is r squared here and there is r squared here? So we'll take this out as a common factor. So 40 is equal to, let's take r squared out. On the first part, we'll have 16 left minus 4 pi. Right? Now, let's divide both sides by 16 minus 4 pi to cancel this 16 minus 4 pi. Now this is gone. Now, if we plug in the calculator, 40 divided by 16 minus 4 times pi, we get r squared, right? That means r squared equals 40 divided by 16 minus 4 pi. That gave me 11.649, a lot of digits. Just leave it in the calculator. So I need some space. I'll erase this. We don't need you anymore. Thank you. Bye. Now, we got r squared. To get r, we just do the square root of this number. You have it already in your calculator, so just do the square root of answer. That gives you r. So square root of answer 649. That gave me r equals 3.413063. Now, that's good. We finished. How do you find the perimeter then? The perimeter is when you add all the sides. This side here is 4r. This side is 4r. This side is 4r. And this is 4r. That's how many r's are these? These are 16r. So the perimeter is equal to 16 times this number. So you have it again in your calculator. So just do 16 times answer. 16 times. This is a very nice question. 3.413063. That's gave me 54.6. And that's your answer for this question. Was it easy?